Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading. With me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate the support by clicking subscribe and the notification bell next to it. Before we get into the reading, in this reading, we are going to check your energy and your person energy. So please note that the energy might be reversible or vice versa. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Aries, so let's look at into the mutual energy between you and your partner for the month of mid-January 2021. And let's see what we get here. Oh, wow. We've got commitment coming up for you here, Aries. Definitely a good energy. Now let's look at into your energy. Aries, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Aries, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look at into your person energy, Aries. Okay, so we have got the Lovers card coming up here as well. Definitely a wonderful energy I've got for you here, Aries. Okay, so on this side is your energy, Aries, and on this side is your person energy. Let me fix this. Okay, so on this side is your energy and on this side is your person energy, Aries. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy might be interchangeable or vice versa. Now, with the sign that I'm getting for you here, I'm getting a very strong earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I'm also getting another fire sign here, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, as well as air sign, Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now, with this commitment energy, this is the mutual energy between you and your person here. I do feel like there is definitely going to be a commitment coming up for you here, Aries, as well as could be a proposal here as well. So if you are currently in separation, and again, this is also for those who are currently together here, but with this commitment energy, union, the relationship is going to take into a committed and stronger and stable ground, I would say here, Aries. And I've also got peace as the overall energy. Wow, I've got peace and new beginning coming up here. So I feel like this is going to be your new beginning here, Aries, in terms of your love and relationship wise here. Like, your person is definitely going to come towards you. I do feel like they've been thinking on asking you out, or they've been thinking on proposing you here. There is definitely going to be a very strong new beginning energy coming up here. As you can see here, there is also a baby coming up here. So for those of you who have been wanting to get pregnant, there is definitely going to be happy news coming up here. But generally what I'm getting here is that a rebirth of a happy, successful, and peaceful relationship is going to come into your life here, Aries. So now let's look at into your energy here. I've got the 10 of Cups, the 8 of Pentacles, and the 9 of Pentacles coming up here. With the overall energy I've got here is the Page of Wands. So I'm getting like a very strong, like a lot of energy, like energetically, and like also like a lot of fun and happiness is coming up for you here, and this is why I love your energy in this reading here, Aries. Now for the first thing here, I've got the 8 of Pentacles and the 9 of Pentacles coming up here. So this is talking about a huge progress, or like a stable progress that is currently happening in your life here, Aries. I feel like you're going to see things are finally starting to take off here, and the number 9 is quite significant because what coming up next after the 9 here is the 10, and the 10 of Pentacles is basically talking about the richness in all area of your life when it comes into your finances, when it comes into your wish fulfillment as well here. I do feel like some of you have been single for quite a while here and just focusing on your work situation here, like trying to just focus on your work, trying to get the financial stability and financial independence for your life here, Aries. I do feel like there is also like a little bit of slow moving energy, or mostly like a gradual moving energy here. So I feel like things between you and your partner here have been could have been in a standing still for a very long time, or at least for a period of time here. And you will see in this month of January 2021, at least starting from the mid January 2021 here, things are starting going to take off in your life as well as in your personal life here, which in return giving me the Ten of Cups energy. So you're finally going to get ultimate wish fulfillment energy here, Aries. Happy home, happy family, happy relationship. So like a lot of wish fulfillment energy, peaceful energy, happiness, and a lot of energetical movement is going to come towards you and your person. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the witch or the magician energy. I've got the lord of the lady and the lord, which is the lovers card here. And then I've also got the harvest coming up. So this is like literally like quite a self-explanatory message here with this harvest energy. This is basically talking about the harvest season is coming in your personal life. I feel like for those who are currently in separation, or there might be some sort of like misunderstanding, or again like I said, could be some sort of a triggers or challenges in your relationship or in your twin flame and soulmate connection here. This is when your person is finally going to come to that self-realization, going to finally come into that awakening period, I would say here, that they're finally no longer going to run away from all their feelings. They are no longer going to run away from all this toxic energy within themselves here. They're finally entering the harvest season in this year of 2021 here, Aries. And I do feel like even though some of you here might not be in communication with your person, but with this witch or the magician energy here is that they've been manifesting this energy, that they've been manifesting this commitment and the relationship just to take off between both of you here. Because the magician here is like, even though they might not know about the label of twin flame or soulmate, even though they might not know about manifestation or even like law of attraction here, but they've been like having this wishful thinking, I would say here. Like they keep telling themselves, okay, I'm going to gather up my courage to just propose to them. I'm just going to gather up the courage to to at least communicate to them here and express myself. And which is why I've also got the lovers energy coming up here. So for those of you who have been wondering is if what is this kind of like, what kind of connection do I have with my person here, the answer is that this is your divine counterpart here, Aries. And I do feel like they also realize that now here, because with all this separation or with all this like running and chasing dynamic on and off connection between both of you here, I do feel like they might have tried to be with other people, be in a karmic situation or third party situation. Like I said, there was like a very strong running and chasing dynamic. I do feel like this is something in the past or even like in the previous year. But I do feel like they have come to this realization, no matter how far they run and no matter how hard they run here, it always comes to you. They've come to this realization that you are the destination here, Aries. And I've also got the Knight of Pentacles coming up here. So like I said, a lot of moving energy coming up here. And as you can see here, this person is holding up a flower and a pentacle coming up here. So this is basically talking about your person is definitely going to come towards you with a proposal, with a commitment here, because they have come to this realization that you are the destination and there is nothing going to change that here, Aries. Now let's close up the reading with advice energy. I've got possibility and then I've got awareness coming up here. Live in the moment, be conscious of your thought, look for sign and guidance. And then I've also got possibility coming up here. Raise your standards, elevate your expectation, you have unlimited potential. So this is like again the confirmation about this whole reading here, because they are definitely coming towards you with a proposal, with a commitment here, and you need to be open to that possibilities. Of course, I do understand it might have been a while for like both of you come back together, or at least in this communication terms here. So it may seems like as if it's just not going to be possible, like it's just like it's definitely not going to happen. Like you might be thinking that way here, Aries, but try to not limit yourself, try to not limit your faith here, because even though in the past they might be running from you, or they might be like having a lot of things that they need to heal from themselves, especially with this Knight of Pentacles, I do definitely get that they've been moving in a quite slow manner, I would say here. But I don't think that you need to wait any longer. You're going to start to like noticing a lot of progress when it comes into your own life, as well as when it comes into your twin flame and soulmate connection here. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this message resonates with you, Aries, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, as well as let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.